Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a quick fix to tired, dull skin? Something that delivers a burst of hydration while boosting elasticity and promoting a youthful glow? Well, today we're looking at the Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask, which claims to be your new skincare best friend. If you're into anti-aging solutions, collagen boosting, or just pampering yourself, stick around. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on honest beauty reviews like this one. The Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is a collagen-boosting facial treatment that targets multiple skin concerns. With peptides to enhance collagen production and Goji Berry extract for its antioxidant properties, this mask is designed to restore damaged skin, improve elasticity, and leave your face with a radiant glow. Each 0.67-ounce sheet is packed with ingredients aimed at firming and hydrating the skin, making it a multitasker in the self-care department. Incorporating this mask into your routine is simple. After cleansing your face, apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and let the magic happen. The sheet bubbles up upon contact with the skin, providing an effervescent feeling that makes the experience feel spa-like and luxurious. It's not just about the results, it's about the experience itself. From my own testing, I can confidently say that the mask does exactly what it promises. The first thing I noticed was how soothing the bubbles felt on my skin. They didn't irritate at all. In fact, they added to the relaxation. The mask's formula delivered hydration in spades, leaving my face feeling plump and dewy without being greasy. After just one use, my skin felt smoother, and it did feel firmer around the jawline and cheekbones. The mask also provided noticeable relief from the dullness I sometimes experience, leaving me with that post-facial glow. One thing to note is that while the mask is moisturizing, the immediate results do wear off by the next morning. So while it's great for an instant boost, it's not a long-term fix for deep hydration or anti-aging. But for a quick pick-me-up, it's ideal, especially before events or when you just need to feel refreshed. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Nykaa Naturals Bubble Sheet Mask is incredibly easy to use, mess-free, and gives you that immediate glow. The added benefit of peptides means it helps with collagen production over time, which is key for those looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The mask is also super hydrating, and I appreciate the indulgence of using it. It really feels like you're treating yourself to something special. On the downside, while it does moisturize well, the effects don't seem to last for days. It's not a product you'd use every day for long-term skin changes, but more for occasional skin rejuvenation. Also, if you have sensitive skin, the bubble effect might feel a bit strange at first. It's a personal preference, so if you're not into that feeling, it might take some getting used to. As for value, the Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is priced at a premium for a single-use mask, especially when compared to other sheet masks that offer similar hydration benefits. But the added collagen-boosting benefits might justify the price for some, especially those looking for more anti-aging solutions. You're paying for the experience and the promise of firmer, more youthful-looking skin. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are other collagen-boosting masks on the market. The Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm Sheet Mask offers hydration and anti-aging benefits at a more affordable price. If you don't mind spending a little more, the Dr. Jart Plus Vital Hydra Solution Sheet Mask is also a great option that provides similar hydration and plumping effects. When it comes to build quality, the mask's material is soft and adheres well to the face. I didn't have any issues with it slipping or feeling uncomfortable, which can sometimes happen with thinner sheets. As for longevity, the mask's benefits last for a day or so I wouldn't expect long-term changes from a single-use product like this one. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't had direct interaction with Nykaa, but the brand has a solid reputation for customer service. Many consumers report a positive experience with the company, which gives me confidence in their ability to handle any issues or inquiries that may arise. As for product updates, there haven't been any significant changes to this mask, and as far as I know, it's still delivering the same results as when it was first launched. To wrap things up, the Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is a fun, effective, and easy-to-use product for anyone in need of a quick skincare pick-me-up. While its results aren't long-lasting, it delivers on its promises in the short term, providing a firming, moisturizing, and collagen-boosting experience. It's a great product for anyone looking to add a little luxury to their skincare routine. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.